In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under economic systems. So we are going to focus on the subtopic economic problems of countries. Alright, so we are going to practice with about 18 to 20 repeated questions for this subtopic. So let's get started. The first question I have here says, an economy in which the whole income is not consumed is refers to as where capitalist economy, mixed economy, spendthrift economy, frugal economy. The right answer is option D, which is frugal economy. The next repeated question is this one. It says the methods or techniques of production used in producing is an economic problem of where how efficient are the resources being utilized, what to produce, for whom to produce, how to produce. So the method or techniques of production used in producing is an economic problem of right answer is how to produce. Alright, option D. Next question is this one. It says business cycle is associated with unemployment, inflation, seasonal variation, recession. Right answer is option D, which is recession. Next question is this one. It says which of the following is the resultant effect of a fall in the profit margin of producers in an economy where unemployment will remain constant, unemployment will fall, unemployment will fluctuate, unemployment will increase. The right answer is option D, which is unemployment will increase. The next question is this one. It says in a free market economy, available resources are more efficiently allocated by complete reliance on where capital budgeting, strategic planning, development planning, price system. The right answer is option D, which is price system. This question is this one. It says a major problem facing all economics is how to we have option A, allocate scarce resources, increase consumption of imported goods, transform from a developing to a developed economy, improve trade among nations. The right answer is option A, which is allocate, how to allocate scarce resources. Okay, next of the question is this one. It says in capitalist economies, questions about what to produce are ultimately answered by well option A, income level of household, available technical skills in the economy, holding decisions of household, output decisions of firms. The right answer is option D, output decisions of firms. Okay, next question is this one. It says whatever form an economic system may take, choice is essential for members of the community because resources we have many, free, scarce, unlimited. The right answer is option C, which is scarce. Next question is this one. It says the basic and essential economic problems in a community are related to choice, and we have option A, politics, freedom, scarcity, social class. The right answer is option C, which is scarcity. Next question is this one. It says which of the following is not a basic economic problem of the society? Where efficient use of resources, for whom to produce, how to produce, what to produce. The right answer is efficient use of resources. Okay, so this one is not a basic economic problem. Okay, the next repeated question is this one. So guys, before I attend this question, if you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel for more of these videos. Really appreciate this. This question says in certain circumstances a centrally planned economy adopts the rationing system because we have transportation and industry and distribution problems, low rate and money wages, the scarcity of goods and services in the market, the need for equitable distribution of goods and services. The right answer is option C, which is the scarcity of goods and services in the market. The next question is this one. It says the active intervention of the central authorities in the management of a country's economy rests upon the failure of the market forces to produce satisfactory results, the result-oriented nature of the private enterprise economy, cost minimization strategy and mixed economy, superiority of the centrally. So guys, the right answer to this question is option A. The active intervention of the central authority in the management of a country's economy rests upon the failure of the market forces to produce satisfactory results. Okay, option A. Next question is this one. It says the following are functions of any economic system except organization of production, allocation of resources, economic stability, production of efficiency, and equity. So the following are functions of economic system, except, so guys, the right answer to this question is option C, which is economic stability. Okay, the next repeated question is this one. It says, in a centrally planned economy, the economic problems of deciding what to produce is dependent on we have average profit, average cost, state command, relative price. The right answer is option C, which is state command. Next question is this one. It says, the basic economic problems of the society include how to produce and sell, scarcity, what to produce and how, scarcity, how, for whom to produce and where, what to produce, how, and for whom. The right answer is option D, which is what to produce, how, and for whom. Next question is this one. It says, in a capitalist economy, the economic problem of what goods to produce is decided mainly by we have a central planner, a relative prices, shadow prices, profit level. So guys, the right answer is option B, which is relative prices. Next question is this one. It says, the choice of how to produce in a command economy is determined by we have industrialists, consumers, labor unions, government. The right answer is option D, which is government. Next question is this one. It says, the basic economic problem of any society is we have high level illiteracy, population growth, resource allocation, irregular power supply. The right answer is option C, which is resource allocation. The last question before we end this video is this one. It says, the choice of what to produce in a command economy is determined by we have industrial establishment, the government and the labor unions, the central government, labor unions. So the right answer is option C, which is the central government. So guys, this basically can do problems involving economic system with a subtopic, economic problems of countries or nations. We practice with about 18 to 20 repeated questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, once more ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any space questions to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question at the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the team membership by clicking the join button. Be getting premium information that will help you to excel in student exams like your JAMB and other student exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.